Planning to become a New Jersey notary? This guide covers the key steps to pass your exam. In New Jersey, a state with over 9.3 million residents, there's strong demand for notaries in real estate, legal, and business services. Your commission lasts for 5 years, longer than in many other states. To qualify, you must be at least 18 years old and either live in New Jersey or work in the state. The first mandatory step is completing a 6-hour approved education course, which provides the foundational knowledge you'll need before you can even register for the official examination. The New Jersey Notary Exam is designed to be accessible. It's an online test consisting of 50 multiple-choice questions, and you have 75 minutes to complete it. To pass, you need to answer at least 40 questions correctly, which is an 80% score. A great feature is that the state's exam fee, which is up to $15, covers you for up to 3 attempts. This reduces pressure and gives you multiple chances to succeed without additional costs. One of the biggest advantages of the New Jersey exam is its open book format. This means you can reference the official Notary Public Manual during the test. However, this is not a substitute for studying. To succeed, you must be familiar with the manual's layout to find information quickly. Over-relying on the book without preparation is a common mistake. Use tabs or notes to organize key sections beforehand so you can efficiently locate rules on notarial acts, fees, and procedures. A large portion of the exam focuses on the different types of notarial acts. You must understand the distinction between an acknowledgement, where a signer confirms they signed a document voluntarily, and a jurat, where a signer must swear or affirm the contents of a document are true in your presence. The exam will also cover administering oaths and affirmations for depositions or witnesses. Knowing the specific requirements and procedures for each of these core services is essential for passing. Understanding New Jersey notary law is critical. All rules are based on the Revised Uniform Law on Notarial Acts, or RULONA. You must know what you are prohibited from doing, such as notarizing your own signature, giving legal advice, or certifying copies of vital records. On the financial side, New Jersey has very low costs. There is no surety bond requirement, and the maximum fee you can charge for most common notarial acts is just $2.50. After you pass the exam, your work isn't quite done. You must complete and file your application, which needs an endorsement from a state legislator. After paying the $25 filing fee, you will receive your commission packet. You then have 90 days to take your oath of office before a county clerk. Once that's complete and you've obtained your official notary stamp, your 5-year commission begins. This final sequence is just as important as passing the test itself. Ready to master these topics and pass your New Jersey notary exam? Don't pay for expensive courses. Visit openexamprep.com to access our complete, free study guide, detailed topic breakdowns, and hundreds of practice questions with explanations. Everything you need to prepare with confidence is waiting for you. Start your free exam prep today and take the next step in your professional journey.